In this word tutorial, we will be going to learn about spelling and grammar check tool. So what is that tool and why it is used for? So it is used for correcting the spelling, the grammatical stuff and all that things. So let's say I have one sentence. So this is a sentence that the woman which works here is from India. As you can see that this sentence looks pretty good, but this is not grammatically correct. So how we can correct it? Well, we will be going to click on this review tab, as you can see here, and in the review tab we are having a tool in the proofing area, which is proofing. You can see this is a proofing. In this proofing we are having this tool, which is spelling and grammar. I will click on this tool and you can see it detect that it is saying that the woman which, and it is showing you which in the green color, which means that it is incorrect, and it is also saying that who is the correct thing. So if you will, the who will be the better word there, that like it will make your sentence correct. So now you will click on this button, which is change button, and you will click on change, and you can see that now it is showing you that the spelling and the grammar check is complete, and this is replaced by who, which is replaced by who, and we will press OK, and our sentence is good. Now let's say I don't want to write woman here. Instead of woman I want some different word. So I will click on this woman for the 2 times, and I will go in my review tab, and there is another tool which is a thesaurus. So thesaurus is used for having similar words or the opposite words, which are also known as synonyms and antonyms. So here I will click on thesaurus, and it will be going to give me some word which is related to woman. So it is giving me a word which is female, which is related to a woman. It is also giving one more word which is lady, and here it is giving a man. And you can see here in the man section, you can see here at man word, it is known as antonym. The antonym are the opposite, right? So the opposite of the man is the opposite of the woman is the man, right? So I can check, for example, I can take this word which is lady, and I can replace with the lady. I'm just writing here lady. So using the thesaurus we can find out the similar or the dissimilar word. Thank you.